All you need to use Apporto is a browser and a reliable internet connection. You can work on any device such as a Windows PC, MacBook, Chromebook, iPad, or other tablet. Simply open a browser. We recommend the latest version of Chrome. Then enter the URL for your Apporto instance and log in. Once you've logged in, you'll land on a page called the App Store, and this is where you can see all of the desktops and applications that you have permission to. Simply hit Launch to start the desktop or app. When the desktop or app is loaded, you can see all of the software that's installed there. One thing that's really important to ensure a very fast performance within Apporto is that you have a reliable and fast internet connection. We've added a tool in the upper right corner called the Network Indicator. It's a colorful 5-bar indicator that gives you an idea of how fast your network is responding. 3 bars is sufficient if you're using an application like Microsoft Word or Excel to write a paper or do some basic analysis. This is because only a little bit of data is transferred across the internet to the server where Word and Microsoft are running. If you're doing something that is more data-intensive, such as using Photoshop, SolidWorks, or doing some video editing or game programming, you'll want to make sure that you have 4 or ideally 5 bars because a lot of data is being passed back and forth across the internet. When possible, we recommend not using a hotspot to connect to Apporto. The reason is, there's an additional lag as the signal is sent first to a cell tower before it reaches the internet. Conversely, if you're able to cable into an Ethernet connection, you'll see about 10 times faster performance. This is why hardcore video gamers always use cable connections before they play video games. If you have any questions, reach out to your Apporto contact for more information. We hope these tips ensure that you have a great experience in Apporto.